Hello everyone, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this stunning 2020 Stone Bay Metallic BMW X1. It's a 1.5 litre 18i Sport DCT sDrive. It's currently at 27,260 miles and it is a petrol automatic with full dealership service history. Really nice looking thing, well looked after by its previous owner. We'll start off with the alloy wheels. Like always, it's got the 19-inch lightweight spoke style alloy wheels. Really nice alloy wheels. I'll post the alloy wheels on the Auto Trader page as well, so you can have a really good look. Yeah, really good condition. There's a forefront. Blue features such as the alarm system, automatic tailgate, automatic tinted rear view mirrors. Just there with the LED headlights, BMW LED headlights. Really nice headlights. Front and rear parking sensors. I'll just show you the rear. Lovely condition, as you can see. It's got the rear parking sensors just there. Comes with the shark fin aerial and the high gloss Shadowline roof rails. Just step inside the vehicle for you guys. Comes with the electronic windows, child protection, electronic adjustable wind mirrors, storage compartment, and the automatic tailgate just there. Not only that, it has the Nivala cloth seats with the two-tone leather just there with the white stitching. Comes with the automatic headlights. Just step in so you can hear me. Just turn the music down. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with speed limiter, automatic wipers, automatic headlights just there. It's got a really nice big centre cluster instrument, and it's got 27,260 miles on the clock. It's got a lovely centre console, BMW centre console, with features such as, so there's DAB, FM, AM, there's Bluetooth integration as well, there's communication, so all once you've paired your phone, you can use your telephone, it's linked to your telephone, sat-nav navigation, so there's maps. There's also traffic report information, as you can see there. Really nice. Also the connected drive, so there's plenty of different apps once you've connected your phone. So yeah, and there's also, I'll just show you the service history. Tyres are okay, as you can see. Engine oil okay, everything in green. I'll just show you the service requirements. Brake fluid, engine oil, vehicle check, everything okay. It's had a service with it's had a pre-delivery inspection and a service in 2020. We'll have another service with us at our main dealership, which we joint to Volkswagen. I'll just show you the rear parking sensors as well. Front and rear parking sensors just there. Comes with the air conditioning. Oh yeah, it has the collision warning, so you can set up front end collision warning and all the different settings. So there's medium, late and early, which is a real nice feature. Keyless push to start as well. Also comes with sport mode and eco pro, which comes on the dashboard. Sport, eco, comfort. As you can see, plenty of different spec. Air conditioning just there. And it has also a cup holder, a 12-volt plug socket, automatic transmission, traction control, like I mentioned, sport and eco mode, electronic parking brakes, menu. It's got a lovely leather armrest with storage compartment just there, and it has another storage compartment just there with a USB port. Really nice interior, well looked after by its previous owner. I'll just show you. Two keys as well, which is a good feature. Electronic windows, storage compartment, nice fixed seats. It's got the same really nice, well looked after seats. It's got an armrest with two cup holders which folds. It's got two USB ports, air conditioning unit, plenty of leg space. As you can see, it's got storage pockets here and here. Yeah, well looked after, no scuffs, no tears in the interior. Really nice vehicle, to be honest. It's got an automatic tailgate. As you can see, no faults in the system, working perfectly fine. Plenty of boot space. There is a storage compartment here on the left and here on the right with a 12-volt plug socket just there, and another storage compartment just there with first aid kit. Plenty of space, and it just closes there. Working perfectly fine. Really nice vehicle, to be honest. Great family car. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message.